Hey guys, welcome today to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you through 3 YouTube keyword tools that you need to grow views on your YouTube channel. Alright, I noticed most people have been running their YouTube, and they've been complaining that for one reason or the other they actually find it difficult to get good views on their videos. So today I'm just going to be introducing to you 3 different tools that you can actually use to grow your YouTube views. The first one is the TubeBuddy, the second one is the Morning Fame, and the third is the vidIQ. And I'm going to be showing you how you can actually have access to these different tools. And one thing you should understand is, one is to create videos, two is to have good contents for the videos. Now, what actually attracts people to your video is one, if you have good thumbnails, two, if you have good title, three, if you have good description for the video, and if you have some other things that I'm still going to be talking about in a bit on your video. And the best tools that can actually help you achieve this seamlessly is the TubeBuddy, the Morning Fame, vidIQ. Quickly, let's dive into our browser, and then we're going to be assessing these different tools one after the other. We're going to be starting with the TubeBuddy. When you dive into your browser, the first thing you must do is to just type into your browser TubeBuddy, and then you click enter. You're going to click enter. So I'm going to accept the terms and conditions, and I'm going to accept the term and agree to the terms of privacy policy and also the time of use. Then you have the opportunity to sign in with your Google account. So you should have a Google account. So I'm going to click on sign in with Google. So when I click on sign in with Google, I just wait a bit for it to sign me in using my Google account. Okay, it brings me into my Google account. This is actually one of the account I'm going to be using to demonstrate this to you. So all you just need to do, TubeBuddy gives you the opportunity to use some of its features for free, but the truth is, for you to benefit more from TubeBuddy, it's always advisable you do what you upgrade. And now let's check out this particular YouTube account I actually want to use to show you what I'm doing. Now if you check it out, I have the button TubeBuddy on the account already because it's already installed on my YouTube account, this YouTube channel, which I'm actually using to demonstrate this training to you guys. All right, see, I have it now. Okay, with this I can be able to, it's going to help me get few up to 5 free what do you call it, tags, which is the keywords. It's going to help you get free tags up to 5, and it's going to help you with this. You can be able to check your position when it comes to ranking for a particular video on YouTube. So but when you upgrade, it's going to help you do a lot of things, like these are the different features that it's going to help you do. It's going to help you check all this, ranging from the keyword explorer. Is going to help you with keywords. It's going to help you test different keywords and know the best the best for a particular video that you're putting up. And it's going to help you with what we call click magnets. It's going to help you with thumbnail. It's going to help you generate a perfect thumbnail for a particular video. It's going to help you check the health of your YouTube channel and the performance so far. It's going to help you do an A/B test just to do it. Discover with thumbnails, titles, tags, and description drive the most clicks and views on your video. So it's going to help you text all this. Now it's going to help you with bulk processing. It's going to help you with copy center. It's going to help you with comment moderation. It's going to help you with best practice checks. It's going to help you with video analytics and so on and so forth. So it's actually good when you upgrade to the starter version. So if you want to upgrade, all you just need to do is either you do it right from your account, or you come back here, you do the upgrade from here. So it's going to show you the different packages that you can actually go for. We have the $2 per month, we have the $7 per month, and as a starter on YouTube, I would always advise you go for $2.40 per month. Alright, then all you just need to do is to convert it to your currency in your local, convert it to your local currency in whatsoever country you're watching these videos to, or from, or whatsoever country you actually want to subscribe this from. Now I'm not trying to promote TubeBuddy, I'm just showing you what you tend to benefit when you use TubeBuddy as one of the tools to help you grow the views on your videos. Alright, that's a TubeBuddy. So quickly I'm going to be looking at the second one, which is the Morning Fame. Now Morning Fame also is a very powerful tool that you can actually use to promote your videos. You can actually use to gain more views. Sorry for the word promote, not promote necessarily. That is going to help you grow views on your videos, even help it's generally, it's going to help you grow views on your video, because if you have more views on your video and your video is a very quality video, people will tend to subscribe and drop good comment and probably like that video. All right, then I'm going to take you to let's talk about the money frame quickly. All right, so I'll go back, I'll open a new tab. Let's say take off TubeBuddy. I'm going to type money frame. So I'm going to type money frame. And money frame is actually a free tool that can actually help you grow your channel. Now the first thing you must do is to sign up with money frame. Now when you sign up with money frame gives you different key unique invitation codes. So I have different invitation codes on my screen, so you can actually do this. We have the online income network. So I'll be dropping this at the end of the channel of this video, so that you can actually use any of them to join the group. So what I'm just going to do after joining the group, the next thing you must do is to it's going to send you to a page where you have to sign up, because if you click on sign up, it's going to ask you to come in and join. So I'm going to be using one of the invitation codes to join. So I'll come up here and fill up all my details. I'll fill up all my details, probably maybe any of this information. I just fill up all my details, and then I'll accept the privacy policy, the terms of use, and then I'll click continue. Then when you click on continue, it's going to open up the page where you're going to be able to text for different keywords on a particular video. MoneyFrame is actually a free tool that you can use for 14 hours. Every time you want to use it for free, you are allowed to use it for 14 hours for free for 1 month. So if the 14 hours expires, that means you need to wait for another, I think 14 days or thereabout, or 7 days. I can't really remember the number of days, but you need to wait for it to refill the 14 days. So what I do is, if I'm using MoneyFrame, I create different videos that I'm going to test for keywords and keywords performance when I want to put them up on my YouTube channel. So MoneyFrame is actually a very good tool as well. So in one of my videos, I'm going to be doing a detailed video on how you can actually use MoneyFrame. MoneyFrame, like I said earlier, is a powerful tool. So if you don't want to miss that video, I need you to make sure you click on the subscribe button on my video, click on the subscribe button on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to leave a comment if you want a video on how you can actually make good use of MoneyFrame. I need you to drop a comment below in the comment section, and also don't forget to turn on the notification button so that when I drop videos, good wonderful videos like the one I'll be dropping very soon on MoneyFrame, on how to use MoneyFrame, how to use TubeBuddy, and so on and so forth, detailed use of them, you're not going to be left out. All right, so the last I'm going to be talking about the vidIQ. vidIQ tends to be one of the best tools amongst the three tools that two tools that I mentioned. So for you to be able to access vidIQ, just come in, type vidIQ, click enter. So it's going to vidIQ Vision for you to get started. So I'm going to click on that. So when I come here, the first thing I must do is to sign up, continue with the same account. So it's going to take me in. So sign up with your Gmail. So I'm signed up already with Gmail account. So it's going to say take me to your YouTube channel. It takes me to my YouTube channel. It brings me in. So I want to use this particular account. I'm going to click allow. I'm going to say allow, then it brings me in. Now vidIQ tends to be the best amongst all of the tools that I've shown you. So you can actually use vidIQ for free. This is what you get for free: basic video analytics, competitors analysis, YouTube education. But when you boost, that is when you subscribe, which is $39 per month, won't build annually though. So you're gonna have this search engine optimization or AI video recommendations, trending topics, thumbnail optimization. So in this case, vidIQ is gonna help you with topics. You know, most of the times you run out of topic on the particular brand you're actually building on YouTube. So you run out of topics. So vidIQ helps you generate topics. It shows you trending topics that you can actually create videos on. It helps you with thumbnail optimization, AI video recommendation, get daily video ideas powered by the AI, trending topic, discover trend related to your niche, search engine optimization. Sorry for that. Means it increases views and subs for better ranking. All right, which is makes it one of the best tools among the other three I mentioned. So I'm going to click continue for free. This is the dashboard. This is the dashboard of vidIQ. All right, so it's going to say keywords help your channel to help us know what the channel is all about. So I'm going to come here. What's my channel all about? Let's assume my channel is all about real estate. Sorry. So real estate agents, real estate investing. So I'm going to click on add two keywords. I'm going to click on save. All right, so I have something like these are a few ideas. It's actually dropping for me already. What you can learn from one Ghana's top real estate developers in Accra. So I'm just going to do an edit. If I'm not fine with it, I'm going to take it off and then I'll replace it with my own information. What you can learn from one of the Nigerian's top real estate developers across maybe Lagos, 3 properties, 5-bedroom, 2-story building plus BQ in the so there are a lot of topics you can actually work on. So AI recommended topics, I'm going to click on get ideas. So it's going to help me get 1 or 2 ideas, 3 credits, new credits. Wow. So I'm going to click on that. So let's check out. It's going to help us get a few ideas. Let's say real estate, sorry for not spelling, estate in Lekki, Lagos, pardon, Lekki, Lagos. So I'm going to click on get title address. So I'm going to wait a bit. So it says discover the best leaking water properties in Lagos. Trying to invest in Lagos. Here's what you need to know: how to profit from real estate in Lekki, Lagos. What you need to know about buying and selling real estate in Lekki, Lagos. So you're just going to change spelling to Lekki, Lagos. This is why you should invest in Lekki, Lagos. So these are wonderful topics that you can actually help you with. So it tells you the performance, the competition, the search volume, the competition, and the overall search of each of those keywords. So there are a lot of things you can actually do on vidIQ. I think that's why it's actually more expensive than every other tools out there. So with this, you can get the best views, the best subscribers, likes, and so on, because it's going to help you with good thumbnails, it's going to help you with good title generation, it's going to help you with good keywords for your videos. So these are the 3 different tools that you must consider. Okay, so quickly, I promised that at the end of the video I'm going to be showing you 3 different invitation the 4 different invitation codes I'm going to be sharing with you for Morning Fame, so as to be able to register for Morning Fame, or rather sign up on Morning Fame. So we have the first one, the online income network. We have the second one, we have the third, and we have the fourth. So I promised I was going to be sharing this, and these are free codes I'm sharing to you that you're going to be using to sign up on Morning Fame. All right, so if you like this video, I need you to click on the like button, I need you to click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to drop a comment on the video. All right, see you, bye bye.